Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. As you know that we already discussed about chapter 1, lesson 1 about the cells. We know about the cells. Cells are the basic unit and the function of an organism. Here we're going to study and learn about the cell. Number one thing that you should know about a cell. Cell is a smallest unit of living things, and all organisms are made up of cells. Organism, what is an organism? As I already explained you, any living thing, maybe animals or plants, these are made up of cells. After this, from page number 22, then we moved on page number 23 of your textbook page, where we also learned about unicellular and multicellular. So here we also know very well about that. What is a unicellular organism? That is made up of one cell or single-celled organism. We already discussed their examples. Then we also learned about multicellular. Multi means more than one, many-celled organism. Till here, we already discussed in detail and we know everything about this. Now, after learning and understanding about all these, our today topic is about, welcome my dear who just joined us, from page number 24, where we're going to discuss inside an animal cell. So that is our today's topic, from where we're going to discuss. So please concentrate and listen me carefully. All organisms are made of cells. We know very well. Your own body has more than 200 different kinds of cells. That is very important point for you to know about that. Our own body, that is made up of 200 different types of cell. It is very important to know for you that we have kinds of cells in our body. So plants and animal cells have several basic structures. What it means? There are different types of parts, you can say that, or we name them as structures. What we call these structures? We call these structures as organelles. What we call them? Organelles. So that help them perform life processes. Organelles have functions that help keep the cell alive. Okay, what are these organelles? For this, you can see here in this picture, in this diagram. So here you can find the organelles that are present in an animal cell. Like here, you can see this first one. Welcome, my dear, thank you. This, the outermost covering, we name as cell membrane. What we name this as cell membrane. After that, you can see here mitochondria. These are also the structures, or we name them organelles, that are present in an animal cell. Then you also see here cytoplasm. This is also another organelle that present in cell. Vacuoles. This also the organelle that present in cell. And also here you can easily read another organelle we name as nucleus. What we name as nucleus. These all are the structures, or we name them organelles. Now I am going to share with you a blog that I already sent you link. What is inside a cell? For this, I am going to give chance for reading from your class. A very good student, mashallah. You all are excellent And good student, please don't raise your hand for reading. Otherwise, you can't get chance for reading. Now I'm going to give chance for reading. Ahmad Muhammad. Ahmad Muhammad, please unmute your mic and start reading from here. Ahmad Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes, please start reading from here. What is
All organisms.
a cell? Well done.
What is inside a cell? All organisms are made of cell. Plant and animal cell have
Plant. This word is plant, my dear. Plant and animal.
Plant and animal cell have several basic
Structures.
cell organelles.
We call them organelles. This word is organelles. Organelles have
functions that help keep the cell alive.
Well done, very nice. You try very well. But my dear, there is some background noise. Please make sure when you're going to read, that should be total mute or silence behind or in background. Okay, after this, I'm going to give chance Ali Khalid. Please unmute your mic.
What, teacher?
Yes, please read the names that are here inside an animal cell. Please read these organelles.
Okay.
Names. Please, one by one.
Inside an animal cell, there are cell membrane and nucleus and cytoplasm and vacuoles and
Mitochondria. Very good. You try very well. Well done. You try very well. Here, there are many, not only these 5, but we are in grade 5. So we just learn and read about only these 5. Okay. Now, after that, I'm going to give chance for reading another good student. His name is Muhammad Umar. Muhammad Umar, please unmute your mic. Umar. Muhammad Umar. Yes, my dear. Yes, Umar Walid.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please. Can you read this? These are 5 organelles inside an animal cell, please.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane. Well done. Okay. After nucleus. Well done. Cytoplasm. Vacuoles. And mitochondria. Okay. Well done. You try very well. Yes. So now I'm going to explain you. So we know that inside an animal cell, so these are structures, or you can say that the basic parts. Yes, Abdullah.
Teacher, I want to answer. Just read.
Yes, please. Yes, you can. Okay. Here you can see that this the nucleus. Where is the nucleus? You can find here that one. Okay, that is cell membrane that around the cell. You can see this all the cell membrane that covers the cell. After that, these are the mitochondria. Where these are the mitochondria that present inside the cell, and that is the vacuole. You can easily find the vacuole. Welcome, my dear Kusei. Suhaib, welcome. Thank you very much. Okay, so these are the vacuoles. These structures, these organelles that are present in the cell, we name them vacuoles. And this one is the cytoplasm. This all, everywhere, this all is the cytoplasm that we will discuss and study after this lesson in detail and their function. So till here, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no in the chat. Then we move next. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Well done. Thank you very much. That's great. Excellent voice. Well done. Very nice. Good. Yes, Ahmad, what do you want to ask, my dear?
What is the cell membrane?
Yeah, that we will discuss in the next period. Cell membrane is just a cover that just going to wrap around the cell. This also an organelle, just like as your skin covers you everywhere, it's just like a wrap or wrapping that cover the cell. Okay, thank you very much. Now, Umar Waleed, what do you want to ask? Yes, Umar Waleed.
Yes, teacher.
Why you raise your hand, my dear? You want to ask something?
No.
So then you should lower your hand. Thank you very much. Okay. Yes, Abdullah. Any question? Abdullah.
Yes.
Any question, my dear?
No, but if there's something to read it, I want to read.
I will give you chance. Okay, no problem. Yes, Ali Khalid. Yes, my dear. What's your question?
Teacher, what is mitochondria?
Yeah, these are also the name of the organelles that gives energy. In your home, you get energy from light in the form of electricity that gives you energy. In the same way, in the cell, these the parts that gives energy to the cell. Yes, Abdullah. Abdullah Umar. Yes, my dear.
When are the books coming out?
Oh, my dear, for this question, you need to contact to office, okay? Where Mr. Farhan or Mr. Wasif is there, you can contact to them, they will reply you. Okay, my dear. Now, I'm going to take back to your textbook again on page number, just a minute. Yeah, here you have your textbook page number 24. You can see this all is present here. This is all the same that we learned today. We understand all about the cell, and that is all about today's lesson. So till here, if you have any question, again, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Thank you very much. That's great.